Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. It's a special egg curry. This recipe I got from my Valya mom, which is my mother's elder sister. This is a nice side dish for idiyappam, dosa, chapathi, roti, rice. It's simple to make. The ingredients list is given below. So let's move into the recipe. So to start with, on medium flame, I've heated some oil into which I'm going to add the onions. You can roughly chop the onions and we'll cook the onions until they change color slightly. Once that is done, we'll add in the whole ginger and garlic and saute it for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the sliced tomatoes. Mix that in as well. Then we'll add salt to taste so that the tomatoes soften. So let's saute it for a few minutes until the tomatoes soften. So now it's time to add the spices. I've got turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. I'm going to add it into the tomato mixture and saute it for a few seconds. Once that's done, we'll add in about half a cup of hot water so that the masalas don't burn. Now cook everything in the water until everything is nice and soft. Then switch off the stove, cool down the mixture and grind it into a smooth paste. So I'm just breaking down the tomatoes. Now we're going to switch off the fire and cool this down. I've put the kadai back on medium flame. Into it I've poured some oil and now I'm adding finely chopped onions to this mixture. We'll saute the onions until they turn slightly brown. So the onions have browned nicely. Now let's add in the ground paste. We'll saute everything nicely and let it cook for a few minutes. Once the mixture is cooked, we'll add in a paste of coconut and cashew nut. Mix everything together and we'll cook this until everything combines together. We'll also add in 1/4 cup of hot water to this to just adjust the consistency. We'll let this come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll add in the eggs to the mixture. You can slice this into halves and add it as well. I'm adding whole eggs here. Now we'll let the eggs cook in this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. So the eggs have cooked in the mixture for some time. Now let's add coriander leaves into this and switch off the flame and our egg curry is ready to be served. So this is a very simple recipe. Do try it next time and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.